Because it's such a unique, different type of operation, you know, there's not a lot of hat manufacturers in the US that I'm really aware of. A lot of them are done overseas. Cheaper labor, cheaper manufacturing. My name's Amy Scheller, and I'm the COO of Barmah Hats. We are a hat company. We produce and manufacture leather and canvas hats. In Minnesota, we've been here since about 2010. Came from California. I think they were there for maybe 5-10 years. So probably about 30 years in the US. Andreas is actually the owner of the company. He has family up here, so he came up here when he was younger and worked on his uncle's farm, so he knew the area. And then when he acquired Barmah Hats, he decided he wanted to start a family with his wife and wanted to move out of California, so he liked this area, so he decided to come here. So we make, like I said, mostly leather and canvas hats. We source a lot of our leather locally, try to get everything out of the US that we can so we can promote US made products. So we do, like I said, the leather and the canvas. We get everything in, we cut, prep, sew everything here in-house. And it's hard to find like the workforce and people that have the talent that can sew. So we're always on the lookout for more seamstresses and then stuff like that. You know, it's just the logistics of finding the right people that have the right qualities and skills to work.
And I guess how has West Central Services helped your business?
Good. We haven't had any issues. We got that new phone system a couple years ago. It works out great for us. If any issues do occur, we just give you guys a call and you're here within the matter of a day or so. So you guys are good with your customers too. Yeah, it's great. So if I'm in the cutting room, I got a phone in there. If I have to answer it, I can put it on hold, and then I can pick it up in the office, or I can transfer it to somebody else's phone. So that's the nicest of that is the flexibility of having multiple phones around, but you can still use whatever phone you're closest to answer it, and then transfer it to the place you need to go if you need to move to the office. So.